Alright, now we're going to have some fun with pie charts in Excel. So I've got here a short little spreadsheet with a list of months and how many days are in each month. Of course, February is an exception because sometimes it has 29 days, but I'm just taking the non-leap year case here just for example. So what we're going to do here is we're going to select both the names of the month and the number of days. And then we're going to do an insert. I'm going to go over here to charts, and we're going to do a simple 2D pie chart. And there we go. Ta-da! Okay, so what's happened here is it's taken the first column and said, okay, that's going to be the label for each of these wedges in the pie. And then the width would be the number of days in that month. So this little blue chart, which is labeled January. I don't know if you can tell from the small little legend down at the bottom. Anyway, it's going to be slightly larger, 8%, than the February wedge, which is 28 days. I guess that also comes out to 8%. Anyway, so, but that may not be what we wanted. We might want, okay, what portion of the months in the year have 31 days versus 30 or 28 or 29 or whatever. So that's not the pie chart that we're looking for in that case. So what we want to do is we want to have one bin with months with 28 days. Then we want to do months with 30 days and months with 31 days. Now, with only 12 items in our list, we could just go and count and say, okay, there's one month with 28 days. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 months with 30 days, and all the rest, which I guess would be 7, have 31 days. But let's say that there were like a huge list and we didn't want to sit there and count, and if we went through and changed the data in our spreadsheet, then we wouldn't want to have to go in and manually recount. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the COUNTIF function. So equals, so we're going to start a formula, count if, and then the first thing that it wants is a range, so we're going to do this range. You can also type it in manually, but it's easier to select a range if you can. And then the criteria. So that can be, if it's a string, it can be like a regular expression. It can also be a number, a specific number. So in this case, we want months with 28 days. So we're going to go count if which one of those is 28. So we close the formula and presto, we've got one. Let's do the same thing again. And we will do count if over the same range, so all the months, and then we want 30 days for this. And presto, we've got 4 days, 4 months with 30 days. And again, we'll do count if same range, comma, and 31. Now those are effectively bins. So in this first bin, which is counts the months with 28 days, we have 1 month in that bin. In the second line here, second bin, we have all the months with 30 days, and we have 4 months within that bin. So basically, it's a bin is a bucket that you put a bunch of things in that you want to count or compare to other items. Anyway, and finally in this last bin we have all the months that have 31 days, and so there are 7 months in that bin. So that's what we want to do our pie chart with, and we will go back to insert a chart, regular 2D pie chart, and there we go. So we now have 33%, so a third of our months in the year have 30 days. And you'll see that's the middle item in the legend. And this big gray monstrosity is all the months with 31 days, and that's got 7. You can't see the little floating label that Excel puts in. Anyway, there we go.